February is American Heart Month, and every year the American Family Children's Hospital and Friends of UW Health host a fundraiser called Hearts and Hands. Today I'm joined by Nikki Stafford, the president of American Family Children's Hospital, and Bob Staffaker with Friends of UW Health. Thank you both for being here today.
Yeah.
Thank you for having us.
Well, so Hearts and Hands, it's an important fundraiser for programs and patients at the hospital. Tell me a little bit about what the event is for, what it does.
Yeah, Friends of UW Health has been around since the early 1970s. I'm part of a fun, amazing group of people who want to volunteer their time and their talents to help the children and the families to at the American Family Children's Hospital. For the last 20 years, we've been able to raise almost $9 million for that. We're going to be hosting a luncheon event called Hearts and Hands. It's a way to spread our circle of support in the local area to showcase how wonderful the Children's Hospital is. And the date will be February 22nd. It'll be downtown at the Overture Center, and it's open to the public. If folks are interested, they can go to our website or care to donate. We have a link at friendsofuwhealth.org.
Yeah, so you mentioned this is a fundraiser. Where specifically does the money go?
Yeah, that was one of the big reasons why I wanted to become involved in Friends of UW Health. Is the Children's Hospital has programs to help the sick kids and their families feel more at home, less scared, and so Hearts and Hands help fund the programs that are put on by the Child Life Services. Programs like the hospital schooling, the Positive Image Center, and then also the Caring Canines.
Yeah.
So the also the funds will also go to the financial support for families, providing gas cards for travel or grants available for families that need help in rent, utilities, or even mortgage payments.
So at this year's event, there's going to be a very special guest, the first ever heart transplant patient at the hospital. Tell us a little bit about Alina.
Yeah, so Alina is a really remarkable, resilient 14-year-old who, before her heart transplant, had never had a procedure or really taken medication before. So I can imagine the shock this was to her family. And so when she started having frequent vomiting and increased dizziness, her father became very alarmed when he noticed also swelling in her ankles. So he took her in August to urgent care. They immediately sent her to our pediatric emergency room where she was diagnosed with congestive heart failure. And because it was due to a genetic condition, her really only chance for life was to have a heart transplant. So our doctors implanted what's called a left ventricular assistive device, which really helped her heart pump, as well as allowed her other organs to heal. She spent some time in the hospital as well as at home as she waited on a donor. And then in September, she did receive the gift of life. And I'm really happy to say that she's home, she's back at school, and I'm really excited that she and her father, Tony, will be sharing their journey with everyone, and I think everybody will see what an amazing father-daughter team they really are.
Yeah, it really is an incredible story. Well, thank you both for being here with us today.
Yeah.
I know Amber was sad she couldn't be here. Amber will be the MC of Hearts and Hands this year. Again, that'll be on February 22nd at the Overture Center. WKOW is a proud sponsor of the event.